In this video, we will walk through the steps to configure an FTC setup that includes control hub, an expansion hub, and a driver station cell phone. If you followed the tutorial to set up Android Studio in the previous video, this will be the last step in configuring the software components of your robot. Here are all the materials required for this configuration. To start, follow this procedure to connect the two hubs and the battery. Next, power on the mobile phone. In this example, we will be using the Moto E5 by Motorola. Navigate to the Google Play Store and download an app titled FTC Driver Station. Once the app has downloaded, go to the Settings app. Enable airplane mode, but make sure that Wi-Fi is still turned on. Under the Available Networks tab, you should be able to find and connect the control hub. It should have a name starting with FTC or First. If prompted, the default password for the network is password. Now, if you open the driver station app, the hub should be connected. Now we will need to configure the Wi-Fi settings to make sure the hubs are up to date. On a computer, connect to the control hub's network and type the following to your hotbar. Navigate to the Manage tab and make sure the Wi-Fi band and the Wi-Fi channel are set up to 5 GHz. Press Apply Wi-Fi Settings. This would also be a good opportunity to change the name and/or password of your control hub for security and convenience purposes. We will also be updating the Rev Hub firmware and the control hub operating system. To update your Rev firmware, download the latest Rev firmware kit from the Rev website or the link in the description. On the web controller console, choose Select File under the Update Rev firmware. Select the previous download file and choose the update using Select Firmware File. Now, go to the driver station phone and connect to the control hub. Select Settings from the drop-down menu and navigate to the Advanced Settings. Click Rev Firmware Update and press the big button at the bottom of the screen. You should receive a success message. To update the operating system, download the latest Control Hub operating system from the Rev website or the link in the description. On the web controller console, choose Select Update File under the Update Control Hub operating system and press Update using the Select Firmware File. You should receive a success message when you reconnect to the hub. Now you should be all set. The driver station phone should connect to the control hub without displaying any error messages. Thank you for watching and feel free to contact us with any questions.